Hi everyone. Do you remember this little device that I shown you all about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? It could have even been more than that. It could have been a month ago. I don't know. But it doesn't work. The second channel doesn't work. And if you remember, I shown you this thing. I diagnosed it, and I determined that it's one of the leads that's broken on this little chip here, and it makes sense actually because it does go to channel 2. So I thought, well, never mind, I'll throw it out, I'll get a new one, maybe I could get a new chip and all this sort of stuff. But then one of my viewers said, well, why don't you grind the casing back and attempt the repair? And I thought, well, yeah, I could do. And then I thought about it a bit more and thought, yeah, I will do, actually, I'll try it. Now, the chance of success on this is actually quite high because underneath this black here, there's like a spider-shaped thing, and there's a little tiny chip in the middle. So all I have to do really is grind that back. Now, I've never attempted this sort of repair before, so I don't know what's going to happen, but I am going to give it a go. So I have this tool here. My granddad gave me this before he died. Well, yeah, before he died, and yeah, we were quite similar-minded, really. We both like to mess about with stuff and repair stuff and find out how things work and all. Anyway, so he gave me this. At the time, I thought, oh yeah, thank you. And I thought, by looking at it, it's like a hard plastic. I didn't think it'd be very good. It's not branded. That looks a bit cheap to label. But actually, it is very good. It's actually considerably powerful. And it's 3.6 volts, so maybe that's lithium. Let's see. This is 4.2. Output 6 volts. So is it nickel cadmium? See, the label looks like the label's is it lithium or I don't know. 3.6 to me looks like that would be lithium. That's probably 4.2 volts. It's probably got a charge controller in there. Anyway, regardless, that's going off point. So I have all these tools. All these tools to choose from. Now, of all of these tools here, let me have a quick look. I'm thinking this one may work. What else have we got? Grindy types of tools. This one, but it looks a bit fine. This sort of thing might work as well. I'm going to give this one a go. Where did I get that from? That was over here. So, let's see what happens. Have we got it? Yep, we've got that there now. Is there a speed? No, there's no speed control. So, I've got no idea if this is going to work, but we'll soon find out. I'm going to try and grind that away. You run out of battery already? Okay, it's exposed, you see, but it's tiny though, so it is exposed. It is exposed. I'll go a bit more back. There we go. Now it is exposed, right? See the little piece of metal there? Let's clean it off. Have we got cleaning pieces here now? I think we have. What have we got? A little grinding stone. A brush. Got a little brush here. I've actually exposed more of the... Oh, well, I don't know. Okay, right. I don't think this is going to be easy, you know. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be easy. But, okay, right. Let's carry on. And now I'm going to try and grind around it, you know, so that I can get a really good bite into it. And I think I've killed it. Or have I? Problem is now, have I gone too much? I need a knife now. Or something to move it along. What have we got here? Let's try this. Just make sure this is going to be okay. What's that there? I don't know what. Is that what I'm supposed to be plating onto, or is that something else? Well, you know what, I'm going to try it regardless, but it looks like maybe something else. I may have been a bit too aggressive. I'm going to try it anyway. Let's try it. Okay. I think I probably have been a bit too aggressive there. But soon find out. Okay, solder. I've got some solder here. Flux, have I got flux? I've got a bit of flux. Okay. Anything else that I need from here? Don't think so. Okay. Probably wasn't the best of ideas. Get a bit of flux on there. Okay. Now, does this thing zoom? Let's see. No, it does, but it's not very good. All right, let's see. It's even possible to do on camera. I don't know. Okay, the track or the trace is dirty as well, so I need to scrape a little bit of that dirt off the track or the trace or whatever you want to call it. It's like a black dirt. Get rid of that. Okay. Hang on a minute, the trace is corroded. Right, so... Right, what am I going to do here? Right, I'm going to have to put a little wire between these. That's not working either. No, that's not working either. Like as if they put some sort of lacquer over the track. So, right, I'll scrape some of that off. I need to expose the copper here. It's not the best of tools either. What else have we got here? Not that. I need a flat blade. This. It's a little bit flat. Okay. Okay, so some copper is exposed now. Although it's right next to that other resistor. I'll try it anyway. There's a lot of rubbish on that. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so we have some solder on that. Now I'm going to have to bridge it over now. So it's probably going to have to be a tiny piece of wire. I don't think I'm going to be able to bridge that with solder. Well, probably could actually, but I'm just not. I don't think that's going to work. So I'm going to get a piece of wire. Okay, piece of wire. And we'll see what happens. Okay, I found a piece of wire. So I found a piece of wire. I need a clean edge to that. Okay. A bit of solder. Let's go for it. Well, this piece of wire is actually going to be far too big, and I don't know how I'm going to hold it actually either, but let's get some sort of rough idea. Where did it go? Okay, I've lost the piece of wire. Do it again then. Right. Okay, and now we need tweezers, which I just tried a minute ago. Right. This is not going to be easy. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. It's on the chip. Now I've got to bend it though, without it snapping off. Ooh. Right, now. Yeah, it's not going to be easy at all. It's too big, so a bit smaller. We'll try again. What's going on now? It's too dirty. Yeah, the contact's dirty now. Contact's very dirty. I may have missed my opportunity. Okay, try again. No, I don't think I've got it. No. I'd have to grind more away, but I don't think I'm going to get it. It's a tiny little... Yeah, it's dead. Never mind. Mission failure. I can still use it as a three battery charger, or I could keep grinding away at that chip. You see there? There's no real bite on it anymore. It's buried in that rubbish. So I could grind the top of the chip away, grind the whole lot back, but I just don't think this is going to work. So I'm going to abandon. And there you go, Astrolux VC04 broken. If anyone thinks they can repair it and they want to do a video and you live in the UK, let me know and I'll send this to you and you can repair it, do a video and put a link in the description and we'll see a proper job done. Chat soon everyone, bye.